If you have a bigger audience, you have more opportunity to get your message in front of the right people. Today, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way that you can spend 10 minutes per day to grow your audience with the most ideal clients possible using Facebook. Hey, it's Jesse Eker, and today I want to show you this really simple and easy way to grow your audience. And it really takes under 10 minutes. Now, there is limits for what you can do, but it's actually a service that Facebook provides, and it feeds you people who are the best fit for you. So I want to go ahead and show you exactly how this works, how you can use it, and more importantly, how it can really help you for growing your business and growing your audience as well. So let me pull up Facebook really fast so that you can see how this works. All right, so you can see my Facebook right now. I'm gonna go ahead here. Now, one of the things that you can do on Facebook is there's this thing on the left-hand side that says friends. Woo! We wanna go ahead and go to this friends part. Now, under here, Facebook actually uses this thing called suggestions. Okay. Now, suggestions is really based off of people you've connected with, people you've friend requested, people that friend request you. It creates this dynamic of Facebook algorithm to share with you who they think you should be connected to. The more people you're connected to, the better it's for their platform, so they want to do this. Now, it's really important that you only do up to like about 25 people per session. You can do this per time, but you don't want to come off as spam. So what we like to do is that every morning, we like to do some of our daily activities during our power hours, which we teach, and we want to connect with new people during our power hour. So what I'll do is I'll go to suggestions, I'll click here, and I'll look at this person and it says, okay, you are a transformation and leadership coach. We help coaches, we help entrepreneurs sell more of their stuff. She looks like a great person that would be a great friend or someone I should be connected to. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add the friend. Now I'll go to the next person. This person, helping e-leaders unlock, looks pretty good. I go through here, I'm add them as a friend, right? Here, client success. Utah, I wanna look into this a little bit. And if I feel like this is the right person, and I see some of the people that he's connected with, I'm gonna add them as a friend. This person, Epilepsy Foundation, probably wants to get the word out, works at General Motors. Maybe not the right fit for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove it. Julie, mentor, music artist, maybe not the right fit for me, right? John, he is a direct marketing consultant, probably not the right fit for me. Tiffany, right? Oh, Tiffany, I help coaches identify probably a good fit for me, right? And so I'll go here and I'll do 25 people every single morning. And what that does is it builds my audience organically. Now I only have 5,000 people that I can do this with, but I get the most. I can't upload the divorce van using sponsorship. Looks great, right? Life coach, you know. And so then I get the most people that are my ideal market on my page so that when I post something, they get to see it. I'll also get an opportunity, if they accept it, to then go to their page as well and start to like their stuff, start to build a relationship, start to, get to know who they are. So that's gonna be the fastest way you can actually build your audience on Facebook using your personal page, getting the most ideal people to your page. Now, if you don't have the most ideal people on your suggested, it just means you haven't friend requested enough people. So here's another strategy you can use. You can go ahead and you can go to groups. Now in groups, you can find different groups. And let's say, again, I want to look up coaches or something like that. Let me look up coach. And in coaches, like you can see here that there's 44,000 people, there's 36,000 people, there's 51,000 people. Probably pretty good, right? So I can go here if I wanted to, and I can go through the different members, which I would go to, I would go here and go to members, and I could go and start to add friends, right? People with things in common, people with this person friend requested me, so I do members near me. And I can go through, I could go members with common. I can go through all these different people and start friend requesting people. More people that friend requested me that I never even saw, right? Another person, right? So this is really helpful to then go through and get some new people into your list so that the suggested friends starts to populate the right people for you, right? This is a great opportunity for you to be able to connect with new people. Now, I'm not saying and going spamming anyone. There's nothing wrong with building a relationship with people. That's simply like saying going to a networking event, getting a card from someone. That's the same thing you're doing here. You're building a relationship with people. You're starting to build your network with new people that are the like-minded people that you want to work with, collaborate with, partner with, or even become friends with. That's what I want you to get in the mindset of doing. That's what I want you to do every single day. That's what you're going to need to do if you want to make more money using the law of prospects and connecting with awesome people online. What you'll find is there is freaking amazing people online doing amazing things. If you use the principle, a curious mind and an open heart, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get more people to flow in. And look at this. I probably just got maybe one person who's accepted. Nope, nothing yet. But in the next little bit, I'm gonna have a bunch of people accepting my friend request and I can start connecting with those people. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. What was your biggest takeaway of this video? Share it in the comments below. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.